front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Apps and Services. Following that, tap on Default Apps and click on one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on one of your apps that you wish to apply and tap on Change in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!